Hello students, this is Srinivas Brahmoji. In this tutorial I am going to discuss C language. So in this C language, what are the topics I am going to discuss? I will say here, like I am from NEOT Software Education. In this C language, like first chapter we are going to discuss introduction or history of C language. So like all about how C language came, who invented this, and what is the importance of C, we will learn in this chapter. And after this, the basic structure of C program, like overall, what is the structure and how we can write the program. So which like syntactical scenarios we can follow. So such a rules and guidelines we can learn in this basic structure of C program. And then after in the third topic, we are going to learn C tokens, like each and every individual elements we can discuss here. And then after fourth topic is like data types. So data types are very important because we can write the programs and like type of the information is very important, like how we can organize the data we can learn in this. And then when we go for next topic, this is the fifth one, IO functions, means input and output functions, and operations means IO operations. So here we learn like how we can take the output as well as how we can accept the input from the keyboard to the program. We'll learn in this. And then after that, see like operators. After that, operators means like all the operators, 8 type of operators we discuss in this. Then after we go for the control structures or statements. Control statements are control structures, how we can control the program, like what are the statements are going to execute, what are not. Like such a controlling how we can do, we'll discuss in this topic. And then after we go for the arrays topic here, like collection of elements, like similar data elements, how we can organize them and how we will work with them, we will write here, like write many programs in this topic. And then after we go for the functions, like functions are very important in the object oriented programming concept also. Like there we can say methods, like first of all we are learning functions in this C language. And then strings, complete strings and its string handling functions and working with the strings we learn in this 10th chapter. And then we go for the structures, and structures after we discuss regarding the unions, and we'll learn about the pointers and working with the pointers. And in the third topic, and after that dynamic memory allocations, and then we discuss storage classes in the fifth topic. And after that files, like how we will work with the files, how we can insert the data into the file, and how we can read the data from the file, we discuss in this files topic. And after discussion all these 16 topics, we are going to learn how we can face the interview. Like suppose in freshers interview, many of the students facing difficulty to answer those questions, like technical campus recruitment training oriented questions I will cover in this interview point of questions. Like so these are the topics I am going to discuss in this tutorial. Thank you.